what started out as a really hot, beautiful day, just cleaning, doing some work, has turned into chaos at the farm.
This whole post here is down by a tree. Alright, don't mind the sleepy eyes and bedhead, but we are going to be, well, I am going to be doing some yoga this morning. It's really nice. One of the community members here, does some yoga in the morning sometimes. So got up just a little bit earlier than usual to take part in that. Excited. I need it.
Hello everyone, it's another beautiful day on the farm. It is a cool 34 degrees with a humidity feel of 40. So yeah, it's hot. But today we're just cleaning out some of the products area for Pun Pun. I think we've encountered this a lot in all the volunteering we've done so far, is we're often the first volunteers that people have had since COVID. So what used to be a bustling farm with, lots growing and everybody working towards a goal, that has really slowed down and been impacted by COVID, because they don't have the volunteers, they don't have the manpower to do everything. So not all of our time is spent farming per se. It's spent helping them clean, reorganize, make things beautiful again. And while that's not our primary focus, it is certainly one that will come in handy when we own a farm one day, hopefully. I should stop saying hopefully. We're going to own a farm one day. I think it's been enlightening so far to see what just a little bit of help can do, some new perspectives to try and fix things. With everything you create on the farm, there's going to be something that is trying to tear it down, something that's trying to be the antithesis to your creation. So learning how to navigate those things and combat them and think of new perspectives is an awesome practice. It's been fun to do so far. We are the tape and bamboo professionals. If you ever need us to build a flimsy bamboo table for you.
Nice job.
Yes, beautiful. Let's do one more. I jinxed it today by saying there's no rain.
Oh my gosh.
Now we got a power line down.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Not sure how we're gonna fix that.
Oh! Hiya! Here is down by a tree. The wreckage after the storm. And that's the small tree. It's another massive tree. Oh my gosh. Wow.
That's one. This is from the top. From this guy.
Wow. Oh, from this one. Oh my goodness. Holy.
Yeah. And it only get this much bent. Break the root.
So this massive branch as well fell down in the storm. Crazy. Wow. That was some really strong winds and rain to bring that down. Oh my gosh. That's bad.
Yeah.
Is the wire still live?
No,
No, okay.
already killed.
เขาจะมีอันเล็กที่ติดกับสายอยู่อีกอันหนึงเนี่ยอันนี้เนี่ยมันล้างสายอยู่
So this tree fell down during the crazy windstorm we had and thunderstorm. And it fell right onto the only power line and internet line, everything to Pun Pun. So they're just discussing how they're going to get it off without damaging the wires and how to salvage the pole that's clearly just bent out of the concrete footing.
That is how you clear a tree off of a power line. It was quite the thing to see. So that was cool and crazy, and hopefully it doesn't happen again.